Good evening. Christmas Day here in Iowa, 2018. I have the original seat and the original mufflers, which was no small task putting those back on the VMAX. It's a little bit late, it's a little dark out, but it's just barely enough light. I think we'll be all right. I just wanted to take a little video of it. Getting it ready for the ABATE show, I wanted to put it all back to original. I'm not so sure I'll put those exhaust, that aftermarket exhaust back on it, because to be honest, I think it runs better with the factory exhaust. I took it out and ran it up the street, and man, I'll tell you, it really runs good with that exhaust, that factory exhaust on it. Nice original seat, looks good. The black and the gray, which matches the bike, of course. Sounds good too, and it's not nearly as loud, and it feels better to ride it. I think she'll turn a few heads there at the ABATE show. I think there's going to be some people that are really going to enjoy seeing it there.